Hello everyone, so today I will be teaching you how to convert your PDF file into an Excel file in case that you do not have a direct internet connection and you need to edit your file. Right now, I have here a sample PDF file that contains a table. Okay, so this file contains the name of my learners or pupils, their addresses, and their contact numbers. Let's pretend that this PDF file has error. For instance, I committed a mistake in encoding their contact numbers. I need to edit the file. The first thing you should do if you encounter such problem is to open or search for your Excel, Microsoft Excel. Open Microsoft Excel. Choose blank workbook. You already have a blank Microsoft Excel sheet. Search on data. Click data. Click get data. Under click get data, you have a variety of choices or variety of files where you can convert. In my case, I will be converting a PDF file to an Excel. So I will choose from PDF under from file. Then Excel will direct you to a file manager. In my case, I saved my PDF file under desktop. Excel will find or will generate your data. There you have it. This is my data as I showed you a while ago. So I have another choices, this one. But the correct one is the first table entitled Table 001, page 1. Then click on Load. Excel will load your table. There you go. As you can see, Excel already downloaded or generated my table from my PDF file. In case that this has error, such as 6 instead 9, 4 instead of 3, 5 instead of 1. I already edited the file. The next thing I will do is to copy. Just copy or Control-C in your keyboard. Then open a Microsoft Word. Paste or Control-V. You can also change the color and the design of your table. In my case, I will be using this. And you can save another file into a PDF file in case that your head wants a PDF file. So choose PDF, the then file name. So that's it for today. Hope that you have learned something. Goodbye.